Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Winner's Fate number 4. I have both versions here, the LA version and the Seoul version. I'll get straight into the LA one first. I'm so ridiculously in love with these two songs. Like, it's insane. They're basically all I've been listening to. I just put them on repeat constantly. And yeah, it's like, yeah, I don't know. I can't even describe it. Because I don't think I've, like, loved a song, like, listened to a song this many times since, like, Block B's Toy. So, yeah, it's been a while. Here's the track listing. There are 2 songs on here and 2 instrumentals, and they are Really, Really and Full. And then Really, Really instrumental and full instrumental. So my favorite song on here is definitely Really, Really. That being said, I love Full too. It's just really, really, I can say I really, really like Really, Really, but that would be an understatement. I'm like immensely in love, like totally in love with Really, Really. I don't know. It's just, it hits all the right buttons for me, and it's just so incredibly catchy. And yeah, I know on the first day that it came out, I listened to it like 22 times, and I listened to Full 17 times, I think it was, and I never do that. I like never ever listen to a song past like probably like 15, 12 really times in like one day, because I get sick of things really easily. Like, I get sick of songs really easily, so I try not to listen to it too much, but I just couldn't stop listening to it. So yeah, that's it. I'm just in love. Okay, so there is a message here. Accept the things to which fate binds you and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Okay, wait, I'll take out the card because I think it's in the back. Okay. Take it out first. So yeah, this is the LA version. I feel like it's 2014 and I'm in love with Winner all over again because their debut is one of my favorite debuts of all time. SS is one of my favorite K-pop albums of all time. And I haven't been this hyped. Like, I loved Exit E and everything, but this comeback is life to me. It just like takes me back, because I've just like fallen in love with them again. And I know I never really addressed Taeyeon leaving, which is obviously very sad, but I'm glad that he's able to do his own thing now. I think that in some ways it's better, because I feel like idol life probably isn't for everyone, and now Winner get to do their own thing and he gets to do his own thing with the band, and I really wish him well in pursuing that. And also there's a lot less scrutiny, I feel, when you're going more like the indie songwriter route that he is. Because when you're an idol, you're like always under scrutiny, and it's just, there's so much pressure on you all the time. So yeah, I can't see how that would have been good for his mental health. But it is nice to have them back again. Like the rest of Winter, I'm so glad that they're back again, because I really love them. Also, Jinwoo gets so many lines now. I almost cried when I heard both Really, Really and Full, because oh my gosh, Jinwoo. If you can't already tell, I am Jinwoo biased. Kind of sad I never did an SS unboxing. I think it was around the time when I just didn't want to do unboxings. I just, like, for 6 months or something, I had no desire to do unboxings whatsoever. And I kind of regret that, because I never really got to talk about how much I liked SS. they've been promoting so much recently, and brings so much joy to my heart because I know that it's something that they complained about a lot because they don't get a lot they haven't been promoting that much, as in they've only had like 2 comebacks since their debut, and they debuted in 2014. That was like 3 years ago, so yeah. That's cute. Yeah, I'm just so glad. And they just seem really happy. They also said that they were going to promote more this year. I don't know how reliable that information is because it is YG, and you know YG, but I really hope so. I hope they get to have another comeback sometime this year. And with a mini album at least. I mean, I would luck out with a full length, but a mini album would be amazing. Winter photo books always make me feel like I'm flipping through like a fashion photo shoot, like a fashion magazine. They're styled so well. Page number 4, and then we have the CD here. Just comes in here, slip it in there, which is also where the photo card came in. Let me just put the CD on and then we can go through that. Okay, so that is the LA version, and for the card, I got Mino! Oh, it's a postcard. Oh, he's cute. Mino is actually my second bias in Winner, but I only collect Chinu, so if anyone is interested in Mino, let me know. And has Jinu, because I'd be interested in that, but it's cute. Anyway, I'm gonna move straight on to the Seoul one now. So track listing is the same. I'll take out the card here also. Black and white pictures. The other one seemed more, not seemed, but the other one was set in the outdoors a lot more. This one's more like photo shoot, like, yeah, standard photo shoot. No. Chinu, he's so beautiful. He's so cute. I love that he is now both leader among Nae. Honey. Chinu. Can I have this as a poster? Ugh, look at this. Look at his face. You know, looks good too. I'm not mad about like the green hair that he has at the moment. But styled like this, it's nice. Lyrics. And credits. Paint number 4. And then the CD. This one is white. And the one is just like reflective. Okay, so that's it for the Seoul version. Okay, let's go through the photo card, postcard. So for this card, I got Mino again. I actually tend to get Mino quite often. I think I got him for one of my Exit E albums as well. So yeah. So anyway, Mino's cards are both up for trade or sale. I'll put them in my Google Docs if you check out my description down below. They're both up for trade sale for Chinu. I'm trading them for Chinu because he's my bias. But ugh, look how cute. Okay. Anyway, yeah, this is a really awesome album. There's only 2 songs on it, but they're both so good. They're both so good. I'm glad Winter's back. It's been too long. It's been too long without Winter, and I adore them. And yeah, I'm hoping that they'll have more comebacks later on in the year. So I really do hope that they'll get like to do more promotions, because I know that it's something that all of them want. And yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching.